faculties and my dear friends. I am Bhumita Aide, student of third year, is here to share some information on topic role of responsible citizen in this pandemic situation as the sequence video of our campaign Muhim Ek Koshish. As we all know, COVID-19 is an infectious disease first identified by December 2019. Coronaviruses are a family of viruses that cause respiratory infections in our body. There is no vaccine yet found to prevent it nor specific treatment for it. So being a responsible citizen of India, my first role in tackling COVID-19 is to maintain social distancing for some social isolation, as this is contradictory to our active nature. So do your part by participating in social distancing, by which transmission of people will not take place, and also participate in other needed actions. And also as a citizens, contribute for better groups by critical thinking and active voicing of your concerns. Now, I would like to share 5 important things which people can do in tackling this global COVID-19. Number 1. Follow the guidelines given by World Health Organization, which means World Health Organization has released a basic protective measure against coronavirus. Their basic guidelines includes washing the hands frequently, avoid crowd spaces, maintain social distancing, avoid handshaking, wear a mask, etc. Number 2. Educate your friends, family and community. Educate your community by spreading fact information from reliable sources such as government official websites, from which we can get the current statistics on number of diagnosed and critical cases overall, number of death happens and number of recoveries. Number 3. Volunteer. Take initiative and be the volunteer of your community and try to help those vulnerable people to pick up their groceries, medicines, etc. Number 4. Donate. From my view, this is the best thing which people can do to reach through vulnerable communities during these tough times. Find a reliable charity where you can donate in small and big amount from your sides. Number 5. Hold your government accountable, which means advocate for free testing, reliable information, paid sick leaves, etc. So these were the 5 important things which people can do in tackling this global COVID-19. Apart from my views, our respected Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi has already guided us with 7 points on which he has asked for promise from every single Indian. So, taking this opportunity, I would like to repeat those 7 points to remind his golden words to you all. Number 1. Take care of elderly people in your family. Number 2. Follow social distancing. Number 3. Follow Ayush advisory, increase immunity, which means our Prime Minister advised citizens to follow advisories on how to increase immunity, stay fit, etc. The Ministry of Ayurveda has announced on Twitter online classes for nutrition, immunity through Ayurveda. Number 4. Help the poor. Number 5. Be sensitive to employees, which means during this nationwide lockdown, many corporates and businessmen have forced to shut their operations. So Prime Minister requested employers to show compassion on their employees and not to remove them from the job. Number 6. Pay respect to frontline workers. Pay respect to all the frontline workers during this COVID-19 in the country, like nurses, doctors, policemen, etc. Number 7. Download the Arogya Setu app. So these were the 7 points by our Honorable Prime Minister. Before concluding myself, I would like to add on that our country is in third phase of lockdown now, where the country is divided into 3 zones: red, orange and green, on the basis of spread of COVID-19 in an area. Unfortunately, our city Ahmedabad is in red zone, which means high alert situation. Therefore, as a responsible citizen, our duty increases. We need to stand strong with our government and corona warriors. Now, lastly, I would like to conclude my topic by placing an order that we need to cooperate responsibly without creating any resistance with the protocol established by our government bodies. We need to respect their orders, their command, and implement discipline, as these things definitely help us to win the war against COVID-19. I hope you have liked the video and it helped us to gain some information to you. Wishing you a good health. I will conclude myself over here, and for upcoming videos, stay tuned with Muhim Ek Koshish. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and take care of your families. Thank you.